Everything I do it with a passion.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal and I'm super excited for today's video. The Met Gala was like 2 nights ago, I believe now, and Kim Kardashian showed up slaying like she always does, and her makeup was flawless, and I just like right away as soon as I saw it I was like, I have to recreate this. And I know there's going to be a ton of videos out there just like this, but more or less it's a challenge for me to kind of go off of a photo and recreate it in the way that you know, Mario did, a professional makeup artist. So I am really excited to give this look a try and hopefully I knock it out of the park. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So starting out for primer, I'm going to use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and it doesn't look like Kim has a super dewy look, but I really like this primer because it's not super dewy. It just depends on like what other products you use with it, but this gives just a really nice glow and I'm obsessed with it. So we're gonna use this primer today. You can see already this is just giving me a really beautiful natural glow. I think I put too much product on my hand. Motherfucker. We're just gonna put it all over the face. And for my foundation today, I'm going to be mixing two foundations. I'm like out of foundation right now. But I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation and the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. And this is in the shade N20, and it's just a little bit too light for me. So I'm mixing Classic Ivory and the Maybelline Fit Me and the N20. Alright, and then once that's blended out and we have a nice full coverage look, we're going to go in with the eyebrows, and I'm actually just going to skip to this part and I'll be right back, okay? Alright, and then now to prep my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner concealer. This is a new thing that I started doing. I was kind of a little bit intimidated to use concealer because I was really worried about the creasing, but I figured out a way to make sure that that doesn't happen. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyes. Then just to avoid any creasing, and I'm actually gonna try to keep my eyes closed, I'm just going to set that with a setting powder. Alright, so for Kim Kardashian's Met Gala look, they used the KKW Mario Collab palette, and they used the color Albanian, which is kind of like a matte brick color, which I don't have, but I do have the Kylie Cosmetics palette, the burgundy palette. So I'm gonna mix this color right here, which I don't know the name of because all my names are smeared off, but this color and this color to try to get that Albania color. For my crease, I'm going to mix these two colors together. What I love about Kim Kardashian's look is that it's so subtle and so simple, but like so gorgeous. And like looking at it, I was like, oh my god, like so much going on here. But after really looking at it, I realized there's really not that much to it. It's just so perfect for her face, and it just accentuates every gorgeous feature on her face. Alright, so now I'm going to mix these two colors together, this kind of matte orange color and this like matte burgundy color. I'm pretty sure this one is called Brick, but it's just a little bit too orange in comparison to the Armenian or the Albanian color. I'm first going to blend this kind of into my crease and then down. So this is coming out a little bit too burgundy in my opinion, so I'm going to still pick up some more of that orange. And I'm going to take the fluffy brush and I'm just going to go right over that and blend this all in. I'm going to use the Tarteist eyeliner, and I'm going to use the pen side, and I'm just going to darken up my top waterline up here. And then I'm going to take the black out of my Lorac Black Skinny Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to take a skinny flat brush like this. I'm going to smoke this out on my top waterline. I'm not going to create a cat eye because it doesn't look like Kim has a cat eye. And I'm going to go in a little bit and with this powder, I'm going to create a reverse cat eye here because it looks like Kim has a lot of intensity in her inner eye. So I'm going to pull that out just a little bit and exaggerate that a little bit. Now I'm just going to take this smudge brush and I'm going to smoke out that top line right here. Alright, so now we're going to contour and do all that good stuff and then come back to the eyes and we are going to smoke out that bottom and get those really dramatic lashes. So Kim used her powdered contour palette and her cream contour sticks. Ugh, can't talk. I'm going to do something very similar. I obviously don't have the, well not obviously, but I do not have the Kim K or KKW anything. So I'm going to be using I'm just going to use my foundation brush to blend in that dark contour here. Alright, now I'm going to go on with my concealer and conceal my under eyes and highlight a little bit as well with my concealer. And to give myself that really defined Kim K contour, I'm going to put some lines right here. Before I blend all that concealer in, I'm actually going to take my e.l.f. concealer. And I just really like this applicator to sharpen up the eyeshadow look. And I'm going to snatch the nose by bringing up my concealer to that little contour line that I did with the dark contour. And I'm going to make a nice defined line. To set it, I'm going to be using my Sephora translucent setting powder. Now I'm going to take my setting powder again and I'm just going to go in and set all the places that I put that concealer. And then for my powder contour, I'm going to use this Bella Pure and a yellow undertone color, kind of like Kim's contouring palette. So I'm going to be using this guy. I'm going to go in with the Bellini. I'm actually going to mix these two colors together to brighten up the under eyes. To go over that dark contour, the cream contour, I'm going to use this color right here out of my Naked Skin palette. And I'm going to bring that contour down. I'm going to make my forehead a little bit smaller. Find this jaw here. It looks like she has a very defined line here for her jaw. So we are going to do that. Then for bronzer, I'm going to take a little bit of this color, Brulee. I'm going to go down on the bottom lash line and I'm going to use the Tarteist Pencil Side eyeliner. And then anything you put on your waterline, it's always good to set it. So I'm going to set this color using the black powder out of my Lorac palette that I use on the top waterline. And I'm just going to define that inner corner, just really like Kim's eye, where it makes it look like she has a really intense cat eye. Okay, now I'm going to take that same black color in my flat brush. I'm going to very gently press this down right below the waterline. All right, now I'm going to take my smudge brush and I'm going to gently smoke this out. In Kim's look, her bottom lash line was very smoked out and like so pretty. Alright, so now that we are all smoked out, we're going to go in with our mascara.
and
I'm going to be using very dramatic lashes.
Mascara by Urban Decay.
And then Kim's bottom lashes were very elongated
highlight out
and
of my
dark,
Cocoa
so
face
we are going
collection.
to cake on the mascara on the bottom. I feel like Kim's glow is a very natural glow, so I don't want to. Side note, these lashes suck. So for my lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss lashes, and this is, I think it's Flirty. And then I also don't have the classic K lip color that Kim Kardashian used. This Jungle Matte color is just a little bit too brown. I'm going to go in with the Kylie Velvet lipstick in the shade Bear. She does look a little bit glossy. I know it's a cream lipstick, but I just want to add some gloss. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video today recreating the Kim Kardashian Met Gala 2018 look. Originally created by Mario, her makeup artist. I was so inspired by this look and I loved recreating it. I will definitely be doing more celebrity makeup tutorials, so more of that to come, you guys. And if you guys are intimidated by a look, like, don't be. If you don't have the right products or whatever, just do it. Give it a try. Like, I was super intimidated by this look just because I didn't have the products and I've never done like a reverse cat eye before, but it turned out so good and I'm so obsessed with it. So don't be intimidated. Recreate this look, you guys. You can do it, I promise you. And if you like this video, go ahead and push like and hit subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these products, or if you're curious what products that I used, they will all be linked down below, so go check those out, you guys. And as always, I hope you have an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you in my next video.